Hey everyone, I am Tanuja and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Tanu. So, in this video, I just want to motivate you to start your English journey. Why are you not able to speak and what are the things you can do to start speaking in English? So, this video is all about to motivate you how you can start your journey. So, first thing I would start with the very first thing like why are you not able to speak English? The reason, the first reason is it's all your mentality, it's all your mindset that you are not able to speak. Because sometimes it happens we have this negative thoughts in our mind that I can't speak or I won't be able to speak because of lack of some resources or I don't have environment, and this kind of excuses we have. So we prepare our mind that no, I can't able to speak. I think it's a problem with many person that they think like in this way. So now the people are very impatient. They want to learn each and everything in a very short time. But it's a language. It's not a subject that you have to learn for 2 days or 3 days or for 1 month. It's a language and it will take time to become a fluent speaker. If you are a beginner and for example you are doing these things, I studied today or I started speaking in English today or tomorrow, and after that I left my practice, and then you are talking like is in this way that I'm not able to speak. Why? Because you are not practicing it daily, because English is a language and you have to practice it regularly. Then only you can become very fluent, because it's not our mother tongue that we are hearing it all the time. So just you have to practice, and we have a lot of things to do to improve our English. And if you are a beginner, so you can start with some basic grammar rules, and then try to speak whatever things you are learning and listening. So just try to speak, because it's no matter that you are learning so many things but you are not able to utilize those because you are not speaking. So it's all about practice that you have to do. So I would suggest you how you can practice. First thing is that listening. I'm telling you, listening is very very important, because I can say these things. I have learned 50% of English because of listening only. Before that I was also not able to speak, and it was my mindset as well, like I won't be able to speak because I'm from Hindi medium and I don't have environment. This kind of mentality I had. So it's a problem with many people. But if you are a beginner and you are uh, in college or school, so it's a right time to start your journey. Because after that you have to, if you are going any other countries and if you are going to university or for any job interview, so you have to speak in English. So definitely you have to improve. So why are you waiting for that time that once my interview will happen, then only I'll try 2 days prior? So we generally do these things. So uh, what you have to do, you have to start your practice with today onwards, and you have to continue your practice. If you are learning something today and tomorrow, it's not a only 1 week process or 2 week process. You have to give time, and it can be more than 6 months, one year. So it doesn't matter. But if you are not doing anything, and if you are learning at least 15 to 20 minutes, then it will be good. From doing nothing to do something for some time, so it is very good. So you can improve your English like this way. So I would suggest you that don't do this mistake that when I get into that situation, then only I will try to speak, and then only I will start my journey. So you all are aware that English is a global language, and now everywhere you need to speak in English, and most of the words are in English. If you are not able to understand what are the meaning of that word, so definitely it would be embarrassing for you. Because we are going to cafe, some good restaurant, and if you are going to any metro cities where someone is speaking in English, if you are not able to speak, then you will feel uh, very embarrassed that time. So you have to start your journey, and you have to become fluent in this language. So first thing is that you have to remove these thoughts like I can't be able to speak. Why you are not able to speak? First of all, you have to remove this thought from your mind that you are not able to speak. If you are practicing it regularly with dedication, so definitely you would be able to speak. Before that I was like same like you. I was even not able to speak a single sentence, and I was just trying to translate each and every sentence Hindi to English, and then I was able to speak in English. But now in this video I'm just speaking by myself. I'm not writing any script. I'm just telling each and everything from my mind. Whatever things coming in my mind, I'm just trying to speak with you. And how I'm able to speak, I am doing the practice, and I'm not telling you that I'm a very expert in this language, but I'm also trying and improving my English. So you can also do this thing whenever you are in that situation where you have to speak in English. So just try to speak. Don't be shy and underconfident that you are not able to speak. If you are doing any kind of mistakes, so that is okay. Everyone makes mistakes when we learn something new. So it's not only about English language. Whatever things you are learning in your daily life, or if you are studying something, so in the beginning you can do some mistakes. But if you are learning same thing again and again and you are doing practice, so definitely you can overcome this thing. Before that also I was doing a lot of mistakes in my grammar also, but now I have improved a little bit. And yeah, sometimes I also do mistakes, but you know I believe that if I'll practice regularly, then definitely I can remove these mistakes, and I can become fluent one day. From today onwards, just set your goals. Why are you learning this language? And just focus on working on that. So that are the things I had to speak with you. And I just wanted to motivate you all that you should start your English speaking journey. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.